Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best vinyl siding blocks is probably one of the most important, yet often overlooked, components of a successful vinyl siding installation. Choosing the right mounting blocks ensures a clean, professional look, protects your home's exterior, and prevents costly damage down the line. This video will guide you through everything you need to know to select and install the perfect vinyl siding mounting blocks for your project, covering materials, sizes, and installation techniques. Number 5. Arlington 8141 DBL Siding Kit. This kit makes installing light fixtures a breeze. It's designed for 1 2-inch lap double siding, but works on many other surfaces too. It's compatible with T111, hardy plank lap siding, and even flat surfaces. No more struggling with tricky installations. The built-in electrical box ensures a UL-listed, fast and easy installation. You can install it quickly after your siding is up. It features a textured, paintable surface, allowing you to easily match it to your home's exterior. It's built to last. Everything you need is included: NM cable connector and screws. Just unpack and install. This kit offers a simple and secure way to mount your light fixtures. Upgrade your home's exterior lighting with ease. What we like. This one has a built-in electrical box, making installation a breeze. It's also paintable to match your siding. If you need a quick and easy solution for mounting lights on your siding, this is the one for you. What people say. I searched the internet for siding fixture blocks that work with 5-lap siding. I'm convinced only custom blocks may exist and hard to find. The good news is this block is extremely easy to alter to work and looks great. These are very sturdy and looks nice installed. They didn't exactly align up with our vinyl siding, but was easy to cut with a hacksaw to make them fit. After looking for mounting solutions locally to fit aluminum siding and only finding options that didn't even come close to fitting, I came across these. They fit extremely well with only a very minimal spot on each side to caulk. Number 4. Ekena Millwork Builder's Edge. This surface block is perfect for adding a touch of elegance to any room. It's made in the USA from high-quality materials, ensuring durability and style. You can trust in its quality and craftsmanship. It's built to last, adding value to your home for years to come. The clean, white finish complements any decor. It's versatile and easy to incorporate into your existing design. It's designed for simple installation, saving you time and effort. Transform your space quickly and effortlessly. With dimensions of 0.88 by 6.63 by 6.63 inches, it's the perfect size for a variety of applications. It's compact yet impactful. Use it to enhance your home's interior or exterior. The possibilities are endless with this stylish and functional addition. What we like. Made in the USA, it's a compact and versatile option. Its small size makes it ideal for tight spaces. If you prioritize quality and a small footprint, this is the best choice for you. What people say. Drill where needed. Sturdy enough for my solar charger mount. I screwed straight through to the board under siding. The blocks were easy to install over my existing siding using just 2 screws. The material was durable enough to mount the cameras directly to them with the existing installation screws for the cameras. This is the same brand I've seen in store but fits Dutch lap siding. Worked well to mount an exterior electrical box. Number 3. iMBAPrice IMBA-8141-1 Mounting Kit. This octagon-shaped kit is designed for easy outdoor lighting installation. It's perfect for mounting your fixture securely and safely. The built-in box protects your electrical connections from the elements, ensuring a long-lasting and reliable setup. It's designed for simple wiring and maintenance. It's specifically designed for 1 2-inch vertical siding, providing a stable and secure mount for your outdoor lights. It works with various siding types, including T111 and hardy plank. Built to withstand the outdoors, it's made from durable, UV-rated plastic to protect against the elements. Enjoy worry-free lighting year-round. Installation is quick and easy. Simply attach it to your siding after installation is complete. It comes with everything you need for a seamless setup. It features a textured, paintable surface and includes a mounting block, NM cable connector, and screws. The electrical box is 4 inches in diameter and 1 2-inch deep. What we like. With its unique octagon design, it's perfect for outdoor vertical siding. It's built to withstand the elements. If you're looking for a stylish and weather-resistant solution for your outdoor lighting, this is it. What people say. Needed a mounting block to install my Ring floodlight camera. This fit my siding perfect, extremely easy to install and is very strong durable. I added caulking around to give it extra support and waterproofing. I had to install Ring floodlight camera over vinyl siding. Since that was a new installation, I needed a junction box. This mounting block is combined with a junction box, which simplified installation. Junction box is not big, but with Wago compact splicing connectors the wires neatly fit into the box. Fits on siding perfectly and looks like a pro installed it. Used on motion floodlight at front of house. Number 2. Arlington 8141 DBL Siding Kits. These siding mounting kits offer a simple solution for your home improvement needs. They're designed for easy installation and a clean, professional finish. The built-in box keeps everything organized and tidy. This ensures a streamlined installation process and a polished look. It features a durable white finish that complements any home exterior. This ensures it will look great for years to come. These kits are designed for 1 2-inch applications. Make sure to check your measurements before installation. This is a 2-pack, providing you with everything you need for multiple installations. Save time and money with this convenient set. They are designed for easy installation, even for DIY enthusiasts. You'll have them up and running in no time. What we like. You get 2 in a pack, each with a built-in box for simple installation. It's a cost-effective solution for multiple installations. If you need multiple mounting blocks and value convenience, this is a great option. What people say. These mounting kits showed up and fit perfectly on my house. They aren't a perfect white and are more of an ivory color, so I picked up some Krylon spray paint, which works on plastic and is weatherproof, and sprayed on 3 coats. Then installed these and they look great. Replaced a set of traditional brass sconces with similar. Each had a stretched octagonal backplate and required a 9 tall standard grade siding mount plate. The home builder had used an improper sized wood plaque and shallow box combo, which looked like crap. These heavy resin plastic plates replaced the crap, secured firmly to the siding wall with heavy included wood screws, and allowed me to affix the lamp mounting plate directly to these plates with 2 other included screws. So easy. No paint needed. My new exterior garage lights lamps required a mounting block. After measuring and consulting with the installer, I purchased Arlington 8141 DBL siding mounting kits with built-in box, white for 1 2-inch lap double siding, 1 pack. Make sure you measure your siding depth length, mine is 4 inches. This design worked perfect for me because of its size and shape. It took less than an hour to install. 2 people job. Looks very beautiful finish, after 1 year. Number 1. Ekena Millwork Scalloped Block. This innovative mounting block provides a level and waterproof surface for all your exterior accessories. It's designed for easy installation and long-lasting durability. It's built to last. This block is UV stabilized and constructed with color molded through, so it won't scratch, flake, or fade. Installation is a snap. Our patented snap-on trim ring makes setup quick and easy. Ensuring a secure and stable base for your exterior accessories, it's designed to withstand the elements. It's the ideal solution for mounting exterior accessories, providing a clean and professional finish. Say goodbye to uneven surfaces and hello to easy installation. It's compact and easy to handle, with dimensions of 1.5 L x 7.0 W x 8.0 H inches. What we like. This one boasts a beautiful scalloped design and is incredibly durable. The patented snap-on trim ring makes installation a snap. If you want a stylish, long-lasting, and easy-to-install mounting block, this is perfect for you. What people say. Exact replacement. Used this to replace the dryer vent on the outside of the house. Fit exactly as the original and matches the siding. Help me finish mounting a light level to a Dutch lap siding. Looks great and light is on level surface. You cut a rectangular hole in the siding, nail the back piece behind the siding, and then snap on the trim plate in front of the siding. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.